What is up? Welcome back to another episode. Oh man, I gotta fix my hair. So in this episode, well, first I want to say that I haven't been able to be on YouTube for a little bit. I've been trying to re-strategize on how I can uh, bring some more content with you guys. But so I'm trying to focus on things that are issues. Let me fix my camera. Give me 1 second. Issues that might be with cars, and then I can fix them and show you guys what I did. But so in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys something I got from Harbor Freight that is in kind of cheap and it's not that expensive, and it solves an issue that I've been having with my cars that gets so dirty, but it's so hard to clean with my regular shop vacuum because I don't have the special attachments to do so. So without further ado, let me show you what I got. I got the Bauer attachment kit for my shop vac. Now with this, I will be able to show you guys how this, well, we're going to be opening it today, and I'm going to be showing you what's in the kit, and we're going to be testing it on my filthy BRZ. So stick around, it's going to be a fun one. So first what we're going to do is we're going to open up the box and we're going to see what it is inside the box. I mean, I'm sure you guys can see already the attachments that are in here, but I'm sure that we can see and look at them live and see what they are all about. Close the lid. Okay. So we have an adapter. We have the, I guess this is for the water whenever you do the whole sucking up the water. This is very good, which I did need it for the BRZ since it was taking some water on the inside the other day. Long story short, I'll explain that in another video. Then we have our secondary attachment, which is, I don't know, I think this is for like the sides of the seats. Whenever like there's something, you just like stick it in, and I believe, yes, this is flexible, which is good, so you can just flex it and then use it to suck up the stuff. We have a bunch of more things here. We have the little soft bristle brush or whatever you call it. Then we have the hard bristle brush. So I guess this is for whenever you want to drag some hair from the actual inside of the car. Then I think there's one more attachment here. Could be wrong. Nope, that's it. Oh yeah, there's one more. We have the secondary, I guess, adapter. I'm not sure which one goes to the adapter. I think it's this one. And from this one, we get to the hose, but we'll figure that out in a minute. And finally, we have the hose itself. It's pretty sturdy. I think it's like, what is it? 5 feet? 4 feet? How long is this? 10 feet. So it's a 10 feet hose. And one last adapter that is here. We will be doing some connecting here. I guess, I don't know, I guess this is for the little brush, maybe? No. This is for the little brush. There we go. This is for the little brush. And then this one, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. And then this one goes right here. No, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But let's get going on cleaning out the car. And so in comparison, we have this massive hose that just is so bulky, it doesn't really work out. So let's put this away, and we're gonna remove the hose. One of the downsides of this new hose is that we don't have the clipping attachment, as you can see here on our regular OEM hoses. You got this little clipping piece. We don't have it with this, but I heard that you're supposed to just be tight where it does not come out. So as you can see right there, it's tight. Let's try to give it a pull. I'm putting significant force. I can't pull it out, which is great. That's the first sign of something great. Let's take out the zip tie and second zip tie. All right, so that's good. I think the size is a pretty solid size. I can have it connected on this side and then vacuum both cars. Well, one car, the other one on the other outlet, but should be good. Now, the thing I want to illustrate is that you get this massive piece with your regular shop vacuum because it's meant to be for a shop, not for a car. And with this, you have a significantly smaller that just attaches to this, right? You see, oh, I see. So this one goes here and it's in, right? So you have those hard to reach places. And then you have the little component that is the flexible one. And then you have soft brushes. Oh, this one needs the adapter, I guess. Which adapter does it need? Interesting. How do I put this one in now? Oh, never mind. So all I have to do is not this one. Okay, so this one attaches itself, and then you can brush it out, right? One other thing that I like about this is spinner. It spins. So if you're brushing something, then it spins, so you don't have to move the whole hose. In reality, it just spins by itself. What else? Yeah, I mean, other than that, I think it's a pretty standard kit. I did look into the original rigid kit, but I didn't really like it since the kit was, I don't know, it didn't seem to be as good as this for some reason to me. So anyways, let's start trying it. Okay, so here we have all the attachments. I guess let me just show you guys how dirty this is. So as you can see here, we have a very filthy interior, right? A bunch of dirt and a bunch of debris on the inside. Even our seat is a little dirty, and we got some debris here on the dashboard. So we're gonna use the brushes for that, and we're gonna be using our main vacuum here. So let's give it a try. We have our canvas here, I guess you can call it, ready, and we're going to use this brush first. Not for brush, this specific. No, actually, let's use the brush. Let's use the hard bristle brush first and see how that works out. Turn on the vacuum, so it's gonna be a little noisy, so let's go. And that's how you not do it, since I did the opposite. I was blowing air instead of soaking it. So let me flip that to the other side. Give me 1 second. All right. Flip to the other side. Let's give it a try one more time. So the brush did not work that good in terms of suctioning. So I'm going to switch over to the wet dry vacuum component and see how that performs. Much better. We're now going to use this component, which is the flexible one, and see if it does any better. So I just want to say how much this had bothered me in the past, where I couldn't insert the vacuum attachment in the very creases of the in between the seat and stuff. And I am so thankful that with this new setup I'm able to just use the little flexible one and it just soaks it all up. So that is going to be a game changer for me. I'm going to be able to clean it properly and it's going to look amazing. So now let's move on to the trim dash on the stick shift and everywhere, because it's disgusting. So let's go. Okay, so we have this, we're going to start with the flexible one to begin with, and then we're going to continue with the brush one. I'm going to see how this one performs. I'm not sure, but let's give it a try. So I switched midway to the brush style, and unfortunately in this specific car, it did great, but it did not get the one from underneath. So I'm gonna have to have another brush somewhere that just pulls it out, which is not a big deal because usually you don't get this type of stuff on other cars. But I mean, it still did pretty good. Like I don't, like whenever it's like an open position, like here on the shift knob, like I don't see any more like dirt and stuff, which is great. And like in here, like I was very concerned about my controls being very full of dust and stuff, and this brush is very handy. Like it comes out really oh, I didn't vacuum on this side. I gotta go back to it. So this would be how you would use your attachments. I love them. They're super helpful. Now I'm gonna be able to clean my cars on the inside, since I've always been dreading it, and it's gonna be super fun. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, I forgot. This came up to be like $25 or something, or maybe $32 from Harbor Freight. So I'm gonna put the link down in the description. And if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.